If you're gearing up for your next industrial automation project, you may be wondering how to minimize risks and ensure that it's a success. Let's walk through some key steps to successful automation adoption. First, you'll need a strong foundation with clear objectives to keep the project on track and within budget. While time and budget are ideal starting points, next on the list should be creating achievable and trackable KPIs to ensure the project runs smoothly. Let's take a quick look at some examples. The first KPI for you to consider is the total cycle time. After, you might want to look into your system changeover time. Additionally, you will want an overview of your throughput. The next on this list for you to consider is system availability. And finally, you need to consider your manufacturing cost per unit and the overall maintenance cost per unit. Of course, you'll need to build upon this list with other KPIs that meet the specific demands of your own. For example, increasing output by 15% while reducing maintenance costs by 10% will help you stay focused and quantify the benefits. By using a planning method like Kanban, CPM, CCPM, Scrum, NPI, or Agile, you will be better placed to track your progress towards these targets. Finding the right planning method for you may require some trial and error. And be sure to consider important factors, such as project complexity and your end goal. The next step is to research the relevant factors within your company. These could include manufacturing processes or the company's current position in the market. When implementing a new automation process, it is essential to identify areas where it will add value and improve efficiency. Beware of high implementation costs. That could signal the end of your project. Once you have a clear goal and research, craft a detailed plan with timelines, budgets, and resources. And don't forget, the more contingency plans made, the greater the chance of success. By following the basic steps laid out in this video, you'll be on the right track to begin rolling out your next automation project. For more on this topic, visit the Knowledge Hub at EU Automation.